Do you like pancakes? Yep, I think so. Today, I'm going to show you how to make low-calorie, high-protein, gluten-free pancakes that are delicious. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Saltsandroses. My name's Ashley, and this channel is all about helping you be healthy and fit, whether that's through great workouts or awesome recipes that actually taste good and are healthy for you. Okay, let's dive into our pancakes. And the reason that you want to consider a recipe like this versus a traditional pancake is that this is going to keep you full longer with the protein. It's lower in carbs and lower in calories, and it's gluten-free. So lots of benefits here. So this is a great alternative to your traditional pancake. Let's start with our first ingredient, which is a protein powder. So this is my protein powder of choice. It's a little bit on the high side as far as budget goes, but for me, I like it for flavor. I like the consistency. I like that it's low in carbs and has a lot of protein, and honestly, it just works well with this recipe. You can also substitute this for your favorite protein powder. Just make sure that the consistency is something that's going to be smooth and easily cookable. Again, this is just what I've found that's worked for me. For the protein powder, let me open this sucker up. I'm going to make enough servings for 2 people, so I'm just basically going to double the recipes. But if you don't have 2 people, guess what? You have leftovers for later. You're welcome. So 2 scoops of this is exactly 62 grams. So we're gonna put that in our blender. Okay, so the second ingredient is actually cereal, which I know what you're thinking, but this is a gluten-free cereal that's also high in protein. Again, kind of on the pricey side, so you could substitute this with an alternative cereal, whether it be gluten-free or not, depending on if you want to stay gluten-free. But for me, I like these because it's gluten-free and has the extra added layer of protein and no sugar. Seriously, these are delicious on their own. But back to the recipe. So for this, we're gonna do 2. Get there. 1/3 a cup, which is 52 grams. Okay, next on the list is half a banana. So I keep these frozen for when I make smoothies or whatnot. Super simple. Just pop it right into your blender. The reason for egg whites is because you are eliminating the cholesterol and taking the best parts of the egg, so it's full of protein, and although I don't love them by themselves, they are great for cooking these pancakes. From there, you want to dump in your almond milk, whole milk, soy milk, whatever you choose. For me, I'm choosing almond. The reason that I'm choosing almond is because I kind of like the nutty flavor. It's all natural, it's not from an animal, so if that's something that you're not trying to ingest, it's a perfect option. However, you can substitute it with any sort of milk of your choice. Okay, so for this recipe, it needs to be really sweet and delicious. And I have a 0-calorie sweetener that's a non-GMO option, and that is Swerve. And this is the granular version of a sugar replacement. Awesome to bake with, really great option to replace your regular refined sugar. And then also you can just do the old tried and true Splenda, whichever flavor you like best. I like both. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons, and that will give you a really great sugar level, so you don't have to use any maple syrup on top. And then I'll also add 2 packets of Splenda. Okay, we're gonna blend this bad boy up. So we've got all our ingredients, and on. And we've got our batter now, and we're coming over to the stove. So a last couple things to add. I'm going to do a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. I like the flavor of this, but you can choose any salt that you like. And then I'm gonna add on blueberries as I put it into the pan, because I like to control it and not get overly blueberry. Okay, we're ready to cook. So I'm gonna throw in a little coconut oil here. Coat the bottom of that pan. And take your batter. Make sure it's nice and mixed. And I'm gonna take a spoonful. I don't like them to be super large because they're harder to control in the pan, and also this will help us portion out how many calories and protein is in each pancake. So here we have that, and then once you do that, and not put that on the stove, I'm gonna throw in, I personally like 4 blueberries for each pancake. Alright, I'm having so much fun making these, and I'm gonna have even more fun eating them. So for the final touches, I threw in a couple blueberries. You don't need any syrup, they're sweet enough on their own, and so I'm gonna dig into this. If you like my channel, my workouts, my recipes, be sure to subscribe so you get notifications when I come up with a new video, and I'll see you on the next Salts and Roses right after I take a bite. Let's test it out. Oh yeah, you're gonna be thanking me.